You're going to need a half a cup of evaporated milk, 1 stick or half a cup of butter or margarine, 1 cup of peanut butter creamy, 2 cups of brown sugar, 3 cups of the quick oats oatmeal, that's the 1-minute oatmeal, and 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a half a cup of coconut shredded. You're going to need at least about a 3-quart saucepan. I'm starting off with just over a 1-quart saucepan, and you're going to notice I have to switch out my pan. So make sure you start with at least a 3-quart saucepan on medium heat, and you're going to add your butter. Next, we're going to add a half a cup of evaporated milk. Two cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, and we're going to stir this and let it melt over medium heat, constantly stirring this until it's all melted. Don't put your burner up too high or you will scorch the bottom. We want it to boil. Once it starts boiling, allow it to boil for 1 minute and go ahead and take it off the heat. Now we're going to add 3 cups of quick Quaker oats, the 1-minute oats. We're going to stir that fully until it's all mixed up. Then we'll add our half a cup of shredded coconut. Again, just mix it well as you go. And 1 teaspoon vanilla. Now we're going to drop them on a parchment or wax paper by teaspoonfuls, and we're going to allow them to cool and set. Enjoy.